Hi friends, today I am going to explain about my application which is called the Truth Tell application. It is a fake news detector Langflow application. Here I have used a simple chat input, uh, prompt component, OpenAI, uh, and the chat output. Here I am using GPT-40 mini model and OpenAPI key. Here I am using a simple prompt for fake news detection. If any statement or any news is given or uploaded, if the OpenAI identifies the news, it validates the news and tells the user whether it is true or it is fake or it's false. If it is true, it will say with its conclusion, with its evidences, and if it is fake, it will say why it is fake. So this is a simple application. Uh, Here we will give a text input in the Langflow Playground. This is the prompt and this is the OpenAI. Here I am using the temperature as point 0.1. Uh, Yeah, it's a simple one. Actually, I have tried to build fake news with fake image detection application, but due to the non-supporting of image components like Hugging Face and like OpenAI tool agent and OpenAI API agent, some components and giving the repeated error as file path is missing. I could not complete the fake image part, but it's perfectly giving the fake news detection part. Here you can check the application. Now, for example, I have given a news. Here I am giving in 2016 a story circulated that the comet into okay, here any news, like it will validate the news and it will tell whether the news has the validation, it is true or it is real or it is fake or it is false. See, it has given the conclusion, no, the statement is not fake or false, and if it is giving the justification and it is giving its source verification. Thank you.